Yo, I bought these a little bit earlier today. What the fuck? I'm already up 200% on these fucking calls, dude. I'm gonna keep holding them. I don't know how long GameStop is gonna run. I have a price target right now of like 290. We have a gap up there at 290, so if it fills that, I am completely out of my calls, getting out until possibly Friday again when we fully close the week when we fully close the week bullish, and then and then we'll see what happens. But this run is absolutely ridiculous, and the volume keeps coming in. I will probably come back at these closer to the end of the day to see where they're at, but keep in mind I'm fully expecting to lose this money. But as of right now, I am up 178%. And if this thing actually runs to, I think if we actually run, if this actually hits $300 today, my position is going to be worth a shit ton of money. So we'll see what happens. I'm not saying it is, but how does, bro, what the hell? Like in like 10 minutes, my position is up 170. I should probably just sell one. I should probably sell one call and let the rest of it ride and fuck it. But you know what? I already fully expect to lose all of this cash. I just want to see how long this thing actually goes. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.